Hello friends, now we are going to solve numerical 2 based on sun compensation. A three-phase 50 Hz 400 volt balanced source supplies power to a star connected load whose rating is 12 root 3 kVA, 0.8 power factor lagging. The rating in kVAR of delta connected reactive power necessary to bring the power factor to unity is. First, I am going to solve the question and it has been given is the rating in kVAR of delta connected means the connection of capacitor bank should be in star or should be in delta. Here it has been given in delta. Let us confirm it would be delta or star, but first we have to solve this question. So now it is given as S has been given as root 3 star connected whose rating is 12 root 3 kVA. So 12 root 3 S is equal to 12 root 3 kVA had been given. So now we need to find out the value of P. P will be equal to S cos of phi. So S cos phi, if you will calculate that, it will be 12 root 3 into 0.8 means, and that will be equal to 16.627. So P value we have calculated, that is 16.627. Now we are going to calculate the value of Q. Initially, the question has been asked the rating in kVAR of delta connected reactive power necessary to bring the power factor to unity. From 8 to unity means, let us assume from the diagram to, if this is P, P has been given is how much? P calculated 16.627 kilowatt, and the power factor angle was 36.86, and initially this was the Q1, and what is asking, this was the without compensation, and what is asking the rating in kVAR of delta connector reactive power necessary to bring the power factor to unity is. Power factor will be unity if Q will be equal to 0, means Q1 dash will be equal to totally 0. So QC will come here, so that Q1 dash will be equal to Q1 minus QC, and if both are equal then that will be equal to 0, means QC will be totally equal to Q1 for unity power factor. So we need to find out the value of Q1. So Q1 we can find out P of tan of phi 1 means, P means 16.627 into tan of 36.86, and that is coming out to be 12.47 kVAR. So this Q C value 12.47 kVAR, this is the answer. So this question was asked in GATE examination for 1 marks. Now I am going to show you what will be necessary by taking the help of this question, whether the shunt capacitor bank has been connected in star or it is in delta, or we can connect anyway. So now we are going to discuss. So let us assume we have load here, three phase load basically. This we can draw like this. This is the three phase system, and we can same make both the side, same load, same thing, same system. So now we are going to compensate shunt capacitor here in star. So if you will see from here that you can easily see this is the shunt connection in star, and if we will draw here, so this will look like this. Means for the same load, first we have connected the shunt capacitor bank in star and in this case delta. Now what we can see from here that the voltage per phase of the shunt capacitor bank, voltage per phase of capacitor bank is equal to, what we can see is here, this is phase voltage, and if this is zero voltage, neutral, then means V phase of the system. V phase of the system. Now what we can see in delta connection is voltage per phase of capacitor bank. Here you can see from here it is line voltage of the system. This is the difference, only difference. Line voltage of system. So now if we will see the QC per phase is same, means QC per phase we are delivering is equal to 12.47 by 3, and QC per phase here is also 12.47 by 3. So in both the cases, now we are going to find out the relation between them. The same comparison we are doing here, it is a star connection and here it is the delta connection. So QC per phase now we are going to calculate. QC per phase is equal to P by 3 tan of phi 1 minus tan of phi 1 dash. If P is in 3 phase, is active power is in 3 phase, so P by 3 means this will be single phase, and tan phi 1 minus tan phi 1 dash. And QC per phase, QC per phase if you will find out, then it will be VPH of system square. It should be the VPH square of capacitor bank upon XC, and we know that VPH square of capacitor bank is equal to VPH square of the system upon XCSH is equal to P by 3 tan of phi 1 minus tan of phi 1 dash. So now we can see, we know that VPH value is equal to VL upon root 3 square into XCSH is equal to 1 upon omega CSH. So omega CSH is equal to P by 3 tan of phi 1 minus tan of phi 1 dash. So from here we can write this VL square into omega C SH upon 3 is equal to P by 3 into tan of phi 1 minus tan of phi 1 dash. So 3 will be cancelled out, and you can calculate CSH is equal to P of tan of phi 1 minus tan of phi 1 dash upon VL square into omega means 2 pi into F. So this is how we can calculate the CSH. And if CSH we can calculate by this, so putting all this value, we know that P is 12.47. Basically P tan phi 1 minus tan phi 1 dash, this was in calculated by 12.47. So 12.47 into 10 to the power 3 upon VL. Line voltage has been given in the question is 400 square. 400 square into 2 pi into 50. So if you will calculate this value is coming out to be 248.08 microfarad. And now we are going to see in terms of delta. If you will find out the QC per phase in delta connection of such capacitor bank, then the same will be, the value will be same here. If 3 phase is P tan phi 1 minus tan of phi 1 dash, so per phase will be divided by 3. Same condition, P is in 3 phase. So QC per phase means this time it will be VL square by 3, because the capacitor bank of per phase is equal to the line voltage of the system. So if you will write the QC per phase, then it will be VPH of the capacitor bank square upon XCSH, and we know that VPH square of this time capacitor bank in delta H square to the line value. So VL square upon 3 is equal to VL square upon XC SH is equal to P by 3 tan of phi 1 minus tan of phi 1 dash. So now we can write VL square into 1 upon omega CSH delta is equal to P by 3 tan of phi 1 minus tan of phi 1 dash. So we can write CSH of delta is equal to P tan of phi 1 minus tan of phi 1 dash upon 3 into VL square into 2 pi f. So if you will calculate the value C of SH of delta, it will become, putting this value, 12.47 into 10 to the power 3 upon 3 into 400 square into 2 pi into 50. And if you will calculate CSH of delta is equal to 82.6942 microfarad. What does it means? It means in the same cut start. What does it means? If we want to supply the same value of reactive power, then we are seeing that the per phase capacitance required in star is 3 times of in delta. So what we will choose? We will choose the delta connection, because for same amount of power to be supplied, our capacitance value is coming to be very less. It is 1 by third of the star. So here it is all about this numerical, and we have seen that why delta connection in capacitor bank is preferred over star connection. Thank you.